Nung nagsimula po ang Dongyan ay hindi instant hit ang kanilang relationship. Napakaraming projects ng mag-asawa na ito at lahat tayo nakatutok sa kanilang pamilya, lalo na nga at popular din naman ang kanilang mga anak na si Zia at si Sixto. Ano nga ba ang sikretong masasabi natin kung bakit hanggang ngayon ay masasabi nilang my forever? Both Marian and Ding Dong are decided to have a family. Not just an ordinary family, but a family centered in the teachings and likings of God. Masasabi din natin, reelers, na itong pamilyang ito ay sadyang pinapangalagaan talaga nila kung anong meron sila. It's as if parang perfect yung kanilang pamilya, but just the same, we get to see that both Ding Dong and Marian are really growing. We've seen them mature. Kasi in the past, we know kung sino yung pagiging maldita ni Marian, si Ding Dong na para kay Marian at some point ay parang masyadong maangas or mayabang bilang artista. Both of them transformed and transitioned to becoming that ideal mother and father to their children. So, Breelers, mag-10 years na ang Dongyan at masasabi natin na para talagang my forever. Nung nagsimula po ang Dongyan ay talaga namang masasabi natin na hindi instant hit ang kanilang relationship. In fact, maraming tao sa paligid nila ang ayaw dun sa concept na maging sila, lalo na yung mom ni Marian dahil ideally daw sana outside the show business yung kanyang maka-partner in life. And at the same time, galing din naman si Marian sa broken family and yet they're turning 10 this year.